Hey guys, this is Raven Bugarian channel, and today I'm gonna reviewing one-sided sharks. So here's the box. Here's one-sided shark shooting a B-Llama, one-sided core, and his gimmick. Star CB02 one-sided sharks, Crosspike B-Llama logo, Gun Hami logo, WMA, and it is a model kit. At the side we can see the pit grip for you. And here's the plus shot. So near 10 marbles, 5 marbles, and 2 marbles. So here's the compatibility to other core. We can see the one-sided core, steer core, and the actual core. So at the side we can see the stats. There's 3 power, 3 control, and 6 rapid fire. So here's the gimmick. The other tune-up gears. You can see the straight barrel, axle Dracian arm parts, and a wide magazine. So here's the parts. So at the box, it comes with instruction, how you build it, a sticker sheet, extra bolts, and it comes with this simple model kit, which is this one. A gun hobby machine feet, a long tool, blue, and a barrel attachments. So I'm gonna show you my one-sided shark. So here's one-sided sharks. Really nice, and it is comes with a one B-Llama, a light blue B-Llama. It's really like a shark. So here's the cover piece. Stick it, and then put the B-Llama. Then let's get fire. Pretty not powerful, but it is good in rapid fire. There you go. So that's the review of this B-Llama. So make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share it. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.